Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. Now today we are in Warsop, Trelawney, and we're here to speak with a lady by the name of Alisa Riley, who is visually impaired, and she'll share her story with us in a little while. But before she does that, please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be notified. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so good evening, Alicia. How are you?
Well, I'm not so bad, Miss Michelle.
Yeah, okay. Awesome.
Somebody ring me tablet.
Okay, all right. So, you would have gotten in touch with us, and we are here. There's a story that you wish to share with us, so we're just gonna give you the opportunity to do so at this moment. Okay, so talk to us about that. What's happening? Are you able to see a little bit or so?
Yes, I'm able to see a little and so eyes. Basically, from about 7 years ago, when I got an injury in my eye, a leak, also a box in my left eye, and from there, when I got the leak, I went to the hospital in Spalding, so they give me an refresh eye drops to use inside of it. They said there's no damage. They never say anything at that time. But when we come on back, it's like I start to see my eye hurt me bad. So I say, wow. So me did I kind of see my vision I get blurry. So from there now, I started to me go to the doctors, and they sent me to specialists and that, and I started to go to the specialist, and they test my eye and say, oh my God, your vision, like they must have one infection behind my eye back and so forth, and back and forth with my eye and all of that. The infection was still there even though I was on eye drops. So one eye time I couldn't afford the eye drops, so I ended up have to start put myself on the eye clinic in Mandeville. So from there they started to treat my eye and everything, and since now since me have November, I got a baby, and from there I never used back any eye drops because I couldn't afford to go over there. So for 1 year straight, I've been using the natural remedy in my eyes because I couldn't go and afford the eye drops and to go and test my eyes again.
So when you say natural remedy,
like any little thing like upon a tree, like castor oil, watermelon. The honey, olive oil, every little thing me get, when me hear about, cause to my mama I get better, me say every little thing me hear about, me just put in my eye.
So was it helping any at all?
Well,
compared to when you were using the eye drops?
No, it wasn't helping. It was still blurry. It have that cloud, and it was heavy. Okay. So it couldn't. It's like it couldn't allow me to see clear because of the blurriness that's inside of the eye. Oh, so one eye is now blurry. All right. This eye, the left eye is dark, and the right eye, the infection covered the pupil. Oh, okay. Yes.
All right. So what happened after that? No.
All right. After that, with the baby and everything, and one day me there, me run out of everything. I never really have no money, so I call my mother and ask her if she have any noonie. She said yes, so she send my son for the noonie, and when I start using noonie, me figure out say me eye. One time I feel my eye one night appeared me. So I said, oh my eye hurt me, so I started to cry and so forth. So till me did it, so till one time I did my call one this overseas, like nutrition and that, and me asked them, and I tell him the situation of my eye. So they must say, probably he must say to me, say, at least your eye get contaminated by something that is not clean. So I say, really? So when I saw my son looking at my eye, I said, Mommy, one of your eyeball big and it red like blood. And I say, really? And I did it, and I cry. And I did it, and I drink water, and I pray. Yeah.
Okay. So you're thinking that maybe you got an infection from one of those remedies you were using?
I got the infection at first from the leak. Yes, so one of them that I were using were never clean, because as you know, sometimes people look out for something, them and maybe wash, and the type of something they use to you know,
Prepare it.
It never clean.
Okay, okay.
So I pick up another germs from there.
What hit you in the eye initially?
One of my partner that I've used to talk to.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But so what's your story? Because, you know, you had mentioned, when we spoke, you mentioned, you know, in terms of the history with you growing up and so on. You wish to share that?
Yes. Okay. When I was a child, I never really have it that easy, like with my family members and all of that. Like, basically, like, with the home with my family them, and me always be the one for them bully, like if like whenever someone are talking at us, and as soon as me start talking, I say, shut up your mouth, Lisa, you chat too much, why not go in your yard and all of that. So more time I feel bad about everything, and I always I say, why them have to treat me that way, and everybody can just sit and like family, and me always be the one for they always I say for leave. So, you know, growing up like that, me like I go back and forth more while. Before I got my first daughter, it really did really tough on me. Same way until I got pregnant with my first daughter, which she's 19. So from there, when I get pregnant with her, the father never did that one it and everything. So I end up runway. At first when I runway go Westmoreland. No, first when I run in one place named Mandeville in Grove Place. So when we did the Mandeville in Grove Place, like me and one of my cousin, this man come in drunk. I never did him anything wrong, he just come in and pick pan me, because me say me always be the one with them pick pan. So him must start cuss, and then him lick me in my head with one stone and burst my head, and I run out the door, and he run me down, and then me start crying. And then this lady when me used to there over there with one girl named Tanisha, like she did it, and she said, wow, Lisa, and then he helped me. And in the morning, like me say me now go back at the morning, I'll go sleep. Even they are dear me, they come for go. Anyway, he come back in the morning and I say, I'm so sorry. I just because I did drunk, why I do that to you. Me say, okay, fine.
So this man was a partner of yours?
No.
Oh, okay.
Was a friend.
Oh, okay.
So basically from there now, like we leave from Mandeville, me and my cousin end up at Westmoreland. I end up at Westmoreland now, when we just come in the community. You know, when you did first time when you look good and then you go thing there, you know. Me I go one, you know. So me there so till couple of guys did there, because Westmoreland, you know, say a some zinc up place, and you have to come in a lane. So me sit down there, one night I there with some of my youth, them and me send them go buy food, and they will buy food for me. So one night me say I got a Negril and Night Beach. So when I come in now, and my next cousin now gone in a fair spot, and me I go to my direction, which part me sleep. These two guys come and one draw me answer and have me answer, and them was in pullover. So me I say, wanna let me go, please, wanna go to me, and me did and me I cry, and then hold me. Same time the one of my partner now, when me did that at that time in Westmoreland with, he come out and hear me I scream, and he come out and I say, wanna let her go, please, and then them did this until them, because them did know the person, you know, the male partner that me used to have, and till then hear and then let me go. When I was in the house, I then come back and I said to the person, like them I said, if you're talking, remember we are come back and kill it to And one of my cousin now, she did talk to this white man, where the white man did their one hotel. So you know what we do, we pack up a little clothes fast. No, one night me I come from Kibo Hotel in Westmoreland, and we saw a big stone, I fling off a whip, big stone, you know, and we have to duck them, and we never do them nothing, you know, then just the one that rape we and kill we. So we have to run on a bar, say, open the door. So anyway, we plan up now in the night, and we say we are going to left before, we are cut before, dear, like we don't want them catch we. Because I'm afraid that when I boy catch me in black and you look at we. We say, I don't want him kill me. So when we realize we told you to the arms up, I told you to me song every day and talk to. And me and them my friend. And anyway, we pack up and we go at the hotel. thanks be to God, my cousin that talk to this man, and so comes our life saved, and then we come back home in our community, which part we did live at first.
So what age were you at this time?
That in that time, probably I was 16 years old.
Oh, pretty
16,
young.
Yes.
Okay. So when you came back, what was life like when you came back?
All right. When I came back, when I came back, I never did got pregnant yet. So when I came back, that the time I got pregnant. So when I got pregnant, me used to have 2 male partner when me did pregnant, and so being too that relationship complicated, and cause when you're pregnant and you did talk to that person, the partner we have, I go say the pregnancy is not for him and all of that. So anyway, I did it until at first I did afraid to tell my mother say I'm pregnant and all of that, because I know a treatment I go get, so I did kind of afraid. So I did it so till they start watch me and say I'm pregnant, and my dad he feed pan some green mango. So from there now, when the man say it's not for him now, I say what am I going to do now, Father God, and something. Young me I go carry one pregnancy and something, so I did a fret until me did one day my mother find out. Even though she find out, but it's still there by her house and so forth, until me end up things start get tight where like she say me can't stay there because I'm pregnant. So anyway, when this gentleman took me from there and tell me say he have one other man where he go carry me go set me up and I can live in one big house and him play football. True poor little me now, me no have nowhere to go. Me say me I go come. That is in Clarendon now. So anyway, I may go. And at the night when I reach there, the man I said to me, when the man bring me I see a whole part bush and share my macadamia the roadside and something. So I say me no want to stay there, so you know. I don't want to stay there, so. And when I go, it was a short guy, so you know when time you just say you look at him pretty, you don't want them the type of man. So I say, I not stay, so anyway. Him say, him can't carry me back go him yard because his wife did it. So I say, if you say me and your family, why me cannot come home with you? Where you go leave me? The man left me upon Clarendon Bridge, one big bridge, in the night. I thought, no, I was out. I did have my daughter, my first daughter, I think, but she never really walked so good. And I did have a next pregnancy, I believe. So anyway, when I did end up on the bridge at night, I look over, I see I want some iron and some stone. No water never under the bridge. And I did it and I say, oh God, what am I going to do in the night? Because I know Clarendon bad in the night. When I look, I see this man come from one bicycle. And he said, look girl, wait there, so they're afraid they kill me. I say, boy, I don't know, you know. So same time man say, I start explaining to him, say, my baby father say, it's not him get me pregnant. And my mother don't want me there, so I'm off it up on the run. So he bring me home. He said, come. And he bring me home. He have his mother in a one room where his mother sick and he take care of his mother. He give me a sheet and he make me sleep on the bed with him, in which he never touch me. I'm just sorry for me. He get me something for eat. And I did in the morning, he give me $1,000. Them time I have one, you know, them grip boot that we push, I push piece of cardboard in the come. I never have no shoes them time there. And I just put it in there and I come down. When I come down now, back in our community now with the youth now, the youth run me down with one machete, one dance and I keep with 2 big pot with soup, and I jump over the 2 pot and run in a one shop and jump over the woman counter and go in at the woman car because I don't want you to chop me up. So from there now.
So this was when you came back into your community? When
I come back into my community.
So this youth who you're referring to with the machete is the baby father?
Yes, it's the baby father.
The one who says that it's not his?
Yes, the one who said yes. And me end up now, from there, me end up at Montego Bay. When me end up at Montego Bay, it was with one dancer girl. She said, Lisa, me okay, I'm going to be a good life down there.
You were still pregnant at this time?
I was still pregnant at that time.
Okay.
So, me go with her. When me go with her, me see that things not right. Me kind of see I like, she a tell. Me never get nowhere for sleep. That time, they must say in the house full. Me have to stand out a door with the little girl and I call. And I say, which one me go sleep and I cry? So, me pray and me say, Father God, because the youth, in mother, they come from Montego Bay, who me pregnant for. So, me say, God, please let me find the part I'm going to be with this woman live. I'm going to show you God answer prayer. I sit there, you know, I start, I remember how the lady look and something, and then I start, somebody tell me, say, I in a one scheme, she live, I'm going to walk. I'm going to go there, I see this brown woman on the veranda, I say, are you name such and such? She said, yeah, where there, so I do, who is you? I say, are your son, baby mother? I say, really, so how you find me? I say, God. Until she called me and I start tell her what. I never tell her so I'm pregnant with the one in my belly. I just did the girl in my hand. So I go in the kitchen and I start tell his sister, say, no, say, your brother want me to kill it, get rid of the baby. And she said, no, Lisa, me help you, go back home, don't do it. And when I listen till him call him brother and his brother say, all right, make sure come back. I'm not going to make sure do it and then I end up and go back. That time my belly, I think it about 3.5 months. So I go back up and I did it with him till God help me have a baby. And from there, I did the buying house and every little thing until when I did it now, one night I did it with the baby, the baby lied on my stomach and he did a play domino and I kind of figure out the baby has stifle. So I start a bath and I never know what to do. So I hold up the baby and my sister she still has stifle. I run go to her, go call him. I left the baby down on my friend and I'm go out there go call him. And when he come, the baby still a stifle for show you all long. And God never make the baby dead. And that baby, she is 13 years old now.
Okay.
Yes.
So how many children do you have?
6. I have a pair of twins.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I see 3 here. No.
No, 2.
2.
My son and my little baby.
Okay.
Yes.
So the others, who has them?
The twin now, their father is from St. Elizabeth.
Also, they're in St. Elizabeth.
Yes.
And you say you have a 19-year-old?
Yes, she's by my mother, and my 13-year-old is by my mother. And those 2 is by me.
Okay. So, you know, apart from the fact that I know that you are going blind, or you could say that you're blind because you're not seeing well. Apart from that, what is your situation in terms of your current living arrangement?
All right. What do you mean by current living?
Like, what's happening now? Because you did say that, you know, you have nowhere to go.
Yes, okay.
Right.
All right. All right. Basically, this lady over here. All right. When the baby is born and everything, I'm with the boy. All right. My grandfather did and left one little room.
Yes.
When me in the room, I start to get fired. My uncle them and say me if you come out. Them don't want me to go live at Riverside because that's how they cheat me all the time.
Yes.
So even though this lady come by me and one day my son go up on the road and he say, well, Lisa, he said, Mommy can't see good, you know. He said, tell Lisa, say me I come look for her. So I did it. Sometimes I did it, I'm hungry. I up on the floor, I hold my belly, I start to have depression. So sometimes I did it I go from room to room, I up on the ground, I cry and so until God sent this lady in my life. And she said, Lisa, I can accept her to you, ask her to give your life to the Lord.
Yes.
In which I never refuse, you know?
Yes.
I did it. And when I started to do the devotion, she started bring food to me.
Yes.
I never have no stove, I never have nothing to cook pan. So if people do give me food, I have to wait till night for somebody assist me with food.
Okay.
So she started sending my food, come and this pastor now, fear pastor where she make me meet overseas now. We start to do online. So she said, Lisa, tell the pastor everything about you. So I start tell the pastor now. So there come in buy me one Likkle stove. You know? I did it for this until I start make me look good. At that time, 13-year-old and my son they live with me.
Where were you at this point?
Manchester.
Okay, okay.
Bottom side, my mother.
Okay, so she, this lady here, what is her name?
Well, I'm Miss Jennifer.
Okay, so
Married name Brown.
okay, so Mrs. Brown, Jennifer Brown, or Jennifer, which one? Jennifer, you're comfortable with? All right, so Miss Jennifer. So you met with her and then you were visiting her in Manchester, bringing her food items and so on.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right. So you can continue, Lisa, in terms of
okay. So I did talk to the pastor. I start joining now in a devotion and stuff like that. Start worshiping, you know. And from there now, all right. She started to assist me, like she would come and help me take the baby clothes them. Cause when I time the baby clothes them pile up on something like worm take them with, you know. And I couldn't get for wash them at that time. And everything they depend on me. with the kids them for me and everything. So
And you weren't seen at this point either?
I was blurry.
Yes.
Yes, I
like
was
now.
seeing yes.
Okay.
And so I did it and I started do devotion and wish sometime my brain over a place honestly to God me never did I really focus. I focus on everything what happened to me and all of that.
Yes.
So I have to get up sometime and I pray and everything and whatever. So from there now like the pastor say, me do over there, I'm over the same way my people them say them go throw me out. I start to call this lady in a bar and say, Miss John, God no, I don't have no if I go, what me I go do? And so forth. And I said, then them always tell me to come out and me stress out and all of that, and I lose weight and then something there. So I did it. I said, Lisa, God I go help you. She always tell me, say, God I go help me. Just pray, God gonna carry me through. I did it, and when I tell her, I say, oh God, Father God, why you wait so long? And you see me I suffer, you know? And I talk to Father God, in which me still I say God.
Yes.
Until anyway, I'm down there. My uncle them started for me one Sunday. Anyway, the Sunday, I never did eat. Nobody never did really cook nothing, give me. I did have some leftover food. I did kind of feel weak and my foot them feel shaky. So me at up the food and me eat it, you know? And me eat it now. My son and papa, he part way to he pass way. One of my cousins they come from Moby and she always check for me. She attacked me and said, Lee, you go alright, no worry yourself. I know how they cheat about you going alright. I'm going to listen to her. I feel like good, but I'm going to go down the house and lay down now. My uncle them start palm me again and said, they're not left for me till me dead. So I'm going to go outside now and I lay down. And I couldn't take it no more. I start lick somewhere like me. I lick the window and I say, no, leave me alone. I can't take it no more. I hold my head. I'm going to go to the door now. I'm up on the ground. I lay down and I start ball. I look in the cloud. The place look dark. I'm did a ball now and something. I find out say like me drop down. You know, I see this man live side of me run and I say, Paulette to my mother, Lisa drop down. And he said, oh, and when he come, I can know, I can hear what them are saying now. Like my mouth did have some slime and something, and then I say, oh God, you're not gonna make stress kill this, and then he take me up and he put me in a house and he have some with alcohol and he wet me up and me like my mother running a bar say, oh God, you're not gonna kill me picnic, and that's how she are going and my auntie are crying, my daughter are crying, you know, and me feel so good for say, you know, that I first time in life I see them as the expression over me, you know.
Yeah.
So me I say, wow. So anyway, then bring me go hospital now. And when I go over there, with my head shabby, dirty. You know, I never did beard yet. I look at weird and I say to God, my manga. And when I over there, like the doctor string me up. She asked me some question. Well, she tests my pressure. She said, all right, she tests something on my finger, sugar. She said, that you don't have that. And then she said, she string up me and everything and put something on me. So she test my heart. She said, all right. But she said one thing. She said, mother, you're going to make them kill if you pick me with stress. She said, mommy, I don't know about from them boy, they ever depend Lisa back, I don't know what to do. So from there now, mother said she not going to make me go back to the yard. So I say, I feel good from there. So I'm up on my mother now, things start get out of hand. You know, when I say, God, you know, you're not going to work for people who are going there on your side. People are going against you. So I'm up on my mother now, things start get out of hand now. Then, like, people get tired of me through me dead and, you know?
Yeah.
And through me have me look back them did and same thing pack up then start to say some little thing when me I hear them as like, if you hurry up, get your room and left and then something there. Some call her, no. One night me did it and them all over me. And them a quarrel with me. More of them a thief my Wi-Fi off on my phone and nobody not tell me because me not see. But me I get the credit for put on for do me devotion, them a take off my credit and all of that. So when one night me did that, me a talk about him. Stepfather start cuss me like dogs and I know nothing that me feel love that. So me say, remember say, me not really have a devotion me want if you do and then can use it with conscience. When I told them the palm, I come out of the yard and creep now and go up the roadside. And up there in a bar and I say, Mommy, me call Miss Jana, I say, Mommy, where you there? Please come for me before they kill me. I can't take it no more. And she said, oh God, me say, me go add you to pastor, that Miss Jancy so. And me say, me there mobby but me she still do what she do for me same way.
Yes.
And she said, Lisa, calm down. God, I go make somebody come to you that night and rescue you. And I did them, I walk going and my sister have a bar, I'm going then, like my auntie said, move out of the bar, just go back, go sit down for the stone. And I did them, I cry, my big daughter turned against me. In which she not show me love again because through my disability, I can't help them. Oh, then forget help. So she turned against me. My 13-year-old look at me and say, Mama, I don't like you. I don't like you. And that make me feel bad when them tell me so, because them disadvantage me, you know. And then look, I just look a boy with them by my side, even though things get to my head sometime way, you know. I have to just understand because my boy pick me and in there with me and help me out, do every little thing. So, but then, one of them at and midnight now, I did them about to me see one lady pass. And she can't. She said, Lisa, why you cry for? And she can't. She said, you want to come with me? And she harms me up and carry me go down her house. She give me something for beer and I said, my hunger. I said, I want a little tea. Pastor did up on the call with me and Miss John. And everybody I try to counsel me till me say my prayer morning. She lead me, go back up at the house and sitting. Next night again, one of them dunk on me again. I run out again. I run out now. Me I walk, you know, and me I cry, but me don't know. But me just a walk. When I walk, me see this vehicle stop right back on me. Almighty God, he must say, Lisa, you're not afraid me kill you. I say, so me I say, me not in a road and me a crime. He say, Lisa, in a road you're there. Look. So I look so alright in a road, me there in the vehicle, don't lick me down. And then my cousin come draw me and say, Lisa, give me your hand. And my cousin pull me again. Me end up, me go down the road again and me not see where me are going, but me just a walk. So me kind of feel say vehicle them come so vloops. So me I go pan one banking, me I slide off in the road. So me grip one part of the banking and then me get up and like my cousin say, Lisa come, and when my cousin carry me back in the yard, come here and say that the yard are the problem and that me no want go back or this put depression for me. So my cousin hold me and my next one vehicle come here, I try to run back and I leg out and my cousin and I run back in the vehicle. My cousin hold me tight. If it was somebody were weak, I swear to God, the vehicle would have killed me. And you must say, Lisa, you see what you do? And I say, no, because you when I have depression, sometimes you don't even know what you do. And then we go back in my mother's house again and then but did I start till God one next time again, them say me all of them depend me again. My mother say me have to come out. Them come out, me put me say me call her again and me say, Miss John, God no, me can't take it no more. Me put me things them on the veranda and take them out. I never really get the help and me call the CMU to hold me my cousin. And I go take out my things them down a yard down there. They just in bed on the table, you know, I don't have much in here. And I move them and me did it till me call my big daughter father can live in a community and he can assist me over here. Before the house even, before the rent pay, because the pastor pay the rent for me, you know. And so forth. The house never clean up yet. And through this lady tell the man overseas, say, oh God, because I'm a condition, he say, alright, I'm sorry for her. I make sure come over before the money pay. So then bring me over in the night and then clean up the house for me, my baby father, baby mother, and she come and she pray with me and help in the house until she go back in the night. Yeah. So from there, I hear some day. Even though I not hear some of my story, alright. It is very long. With my twins them, alright, my baby father now, the one from St. Elizabeth now. Bear problems same way, you know.
What I would say that I've done my best for her. And even what I have done, her families, they hated me. They say bad things about me. But I'm still praying, okay?
Yes.
I'm still praying, and I always encourage her to hold the faith, pray, and the Lord will send help. You understand me?
Absolutely.
So, but I know I do my best.
Yes.
And it seems like I have done something bad. Or
Yeah.
I don't know what to say again, but I know I do my best.
But in assisting her, you know, you have done something really commendable.
Yes. If I started to talk, because even sometimes that would cause a little rupture between me and my spouse. But then I always looking at what God has done.
Yes.
And I say, all right, I will continue. Because I know my blessing will come.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, Alicia, what is your need? You know, you would have shared your story with us.
Yes.
In terms of your eye, in terms of medical care,
all right.
What is it that you need?
All right. I needed like money to the place that they say put me to go to is private, and then from there is UE. I have to go to UE for them to decide. So I need some like money to help to cheat my eye.
Okay.
From there as well.
Okay. So is it that you're supposed to do a test and then based on that test they send you to UE or something?
Yes.
Okay. And for the eye drops as well.
Yeah, I have 2 that I'm using, but for $10,000. One of them is already finished. And one soon finish, so I don't really buy it back yet because I wait on. God to help me with my money for buy it back.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes.
And I also have a paper to bring to do an ultrasound, and I don't bring it as yet.
Okay.
Yes, in Mandeville.
Okay. All right. So basically, you need medical care.
Yes.
And you need assistance to, you know, get by. Monetary assistance, you're saying.
Yeah.
So let me ask you this though, because you mentioned that, you know, you'd love for 2 bedrooms, you know, just for you and the children.
Yes.
But do you have land on which to put it?
You know, say, all right, basically my mother did have a back part where she said me could have put my room. And then my grandfather did give me a part when at the back I feel my uncle them, but me they always, through me I get a fight with them.
Yes.
Them always a complain over land, you know? So, one piece of land up the road now, up in Manchester, but I back up, way up the road to the second to last house them. And we did call one at a time and say if they can, and then still a fight against me with the land. Even though the land is there, they always a fight against me with the land. They don't want me to build no land.
So at the moment then, it would be safe to say that you don't have any land. Yeah, Alicia, I'm saying it would be safe to say that you don't have any land because based on how you're saying it,
they always a fight against me with the land.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Oh, okay.
Okay, behalf of everyone who's watching me, I'm asking for some medical assistance with my eye because I know that God can bring back my vision, you know, and I have like ultrasound, some tests to run on my eyes and all of that, so I really need some help to with the funds to take care of my eye. And the other thing, I needed a little house, you know, for me and my children. Really needed a little house to put up somewhere.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Alicia, in terms of how do you get by daily? Because at this point you're not able to work. So how do you get by in terms of food and, you know, sending the children to school and all of that? You know.
I just want to say hi and good evening to everyone. I'm a woman that loves God and I want to live a true Christian life. And honestly, Sister Lisa, she does not have anybody to take care of her financial part. But right now, this pastor of mine, he's doing a very good job, like paying her rent. And the brethren in the church, they try to take care of like the little financial money part, not much, but you have to give thanks.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
I have an account that they send the little much in.
Yes.
And because she cannot see to
do those
monitor
sort of
the money. So I'm the one who really goes out and whatever she need to buy, she will tell me, write it down, and I shop and bring her stuff to her.
Okay, okay.
So like the food part, breakfast, lunch and all of that, is just the church people them who really helped her. But sometimes things, you know, get down. We have to give thanks, and I always encourage her, Lisa, don't worry, the Lord is going to make a better way. And I see where honestly the enemy, the devil, want me and her to pull apart.
Yes.
Even I said, Lisa, even if we pull apart, separated, let it not be of any like, you know, anything like that, because we know maybe one day you might have to live somewhere else, or I have to live somewhere else. But for now, as you asked about that part,
yes,
it's good people, church people who really know about her eating situation and the pastor.
Okay, so that's how she gets by, you know, dealing with food and so on.
Yeah.
So from that, the children go to school? Well, the baby don't go to school yet, but this, her son.
I know about her son because I'm the one who they asked to get him registered in Tri High School.
Okay.
And I went and I did that. And the pastor, they send the money to,
you know, so you can get lunch and all
and so forth. But then, because he's the one that is always run by his mommy, he cannot go to school as far as what I'm seeing. Because I am the one who went with him. He's right there.
Yes.
And I take him out and they send the money and bought his school clothes, school bag and all of that. And anything to come to her, I'm the one that they always call and have the agenda to assist her. So
is it that he goes to school?
no, he is not.
He's not because he's helping to take care of
that
mommy.
is the plan, because none of the girls them are there to help her. So
he needs to be in school.
And because of that, the family hate me.
Oh,
so I was wondering what wrong have I done to Sister Lisa, because I have 5 daughters, and I guess you guys might know them. So there is nothing more that I can do, because maybe someday we have to separate it, live at different places. So I hope and pray that she will get through. God will see her through, that she can help herself.
Okay.
And sometimes our son get like frustrated, like you know, because he's the only one that he have to be calling.
Yes.
You know, so that is what I know and I've seen. So
okay. And I know, Lisa, you know, your story is not even completed. It's not even half done. But because of the timing, because we're now doing this interview in the evening, why? Because we weren't able to come before. So, you know, we definitely will have to do a part 2 with you, and so you can finish your story. But for now, everyone who is watching, or viewers or subscribers, you heard her story, and you hear the plea that she just made. So if in any way that you're able to assist us to, you know, for food, medical care, whatever it is, please reach out to us and render some assistance. Any help you give us will be greatly appreciated, right, Lisa? Okay. And of course you can reach out to us at 876-512-4055. All right, and in the meantime now, Lisa, we have to work out how to get your son in school, because he needs to be in school.
Okay.
Are you on path?
Yes, he's on part. It's just like the little break money.
Yes.
Yes, he wants to go back to try school. Try high.
So the main reason why he is not able to attend is what?
Main reason is because my eyes. I would say my eyes. Yes. And even though the father never really take care of him either, you know. His father not take care of him because and I say to God, from COVID coming, he never attend school. He just do online, and from there, so he kind of struggle with him back and forth. I went by school sometimes.
Yes.
Even when I did it, and that affect me, still did I go back and forth. I try to get him a transfer. But all of that, when I September, he did start, he go down at the school, I try, but then they said they can't find him on the computer. If we go back at Albert Town, which part in pass, we can release farm to show that he released to come to try. So you have one car key, one bag, and you need have 1 shoes.
Oh, but you need that letter from the other school.
Yes, just the letter that he can just go back to school.
Oh, but because of the position you are in now, you're not able to go and get that letter.
No.
Okay. All right, so we will work on that for you. We talk about that and see how best we are able to assist you.
Okay.
All right, guys, so this is where we end the video for today. Please, if there's any way that you're able to help, please reach out to us. Any help we get will be greatly appreciated, like we said before. In the meantime, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, and bye-bye.